Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Volkswagen Golf GTD. So it's the 2 litre turbo diesel, manual, 5 doors, finished in tornado red, and it's covered 57,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round. Nice looking GTD. Really beautiful day here in Ross, but hard to keep the car out of the sun, so I've moved it around a bit and hopefully you can get a pretty good view. So this is a 2-owner example. Plenty of service history, 4 stamps in the book. The ever popular GTD. £20 road tax. 60 odd to the gallon, but still goes like a rocket. 6-speed manual gearbox, and they really lit the part. Tornado red, it was a popular colour for these. Does look lovely with the diamond cut alloys. If you were looking for something that's a bit of a performance vehicle but still going to be economical to run, then these are the ones to have. Lovely checkered seats, bolsters are good, which is important because they're quite racy, the seats. I actually had a Skoda Octavia VRS with the same engine as this one, just needed that little bit of extra boot space for tyres and golf clubs and various things, but I would have had one of these if I could have, if it was the right sort of size. Lovely spec. Of course you get remote central locking, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable, heated and power folding door mirrors. And then as we make our way in, automatic lights. GTD flat bottom steering wheel. On the one side you've got controls for the Bluetooth and trip computer, voice recognition. And on the other side you've got controls for the cruise control and radio as well. 2 remote keys. And you've got your auto hold, electronic handbrake, push button start just there, and a 6-speed manual gearbox with the golf ball gear stick. You can change the modes, start-stop facility, which obviously you can switch off, traction control. Then you've got your handbooks in the glove box. And I'll just start the car up. So you've got your dual zone climate control, heated seats in the front as well using these buttons here. And then up onto the infotainment. Got the nice piano black finish behind, DAB digital radio, Sat Nav, Bluetooth, Cookies S21, that's me. There we go. All touchscreen as well, really nice. There's your mileage, 57795. Plenty of fuel as well. And then into the rear. Plenty of space, of course, from a Golf. Got your carpet mats. The checkered theme continues. 3 proper seat belts, so you can comfortably fit 5. You've got the ISOFIX as well for the child seats. Just a nicely laid out car. Parking sensors front and rear. Twin tailpipes. And then into the boot. Split folding rear seats. Good size boot with a pretty flat load space. And underneath you've got all your bits and bobs and a get you home spare wheel. So there we have it. 2015 on a 65 plate Golf GTD. 57,000 miles from 2 owners with service history. And the price of the car, £14,250. Finance is available from £275 a month with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. It will be serviced along with a cambelt and water pump replacement, 2 keys in our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always popular cars. I expect this one to get snapped up. Thanks for watching.